Hey! God have mercy upon us. Hey!
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to watch the very end, because like as usual now, you know what I do. I bring you guys the best. So make sure you drop nice comments in this video. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and as well, share this video. It's very important. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Say, you know I love you.
I love you too, but you need to start going now. My daddy will soon be here. I don't want him to meet me.
Don't worry.
Hello? What's going on here?
Sure.
Who is this? Shut up, who is this? Who you be?
I'm
a boyfriend. A boyfriend? So you have a boyfriend? I am a choir. So you brought a guy into my house?
No, daddy, he came.
Start speaking. Are you okay?
Jesus.
What are you doing here? I like your daughter, sir. Are you okay? In front of me, you are saying you like my daughter. Are you mad? I have money. I will give you money. Is your money my money? Are you okay? You see, my wife talking to me like that. What do you mean you have money? Are you mad? You're OP, sir.
You're OP, Oga.
How do you know I use OP? Can you see finish? See finish. See finish now. Okay, put you yourself. OP.
See finish, but you still
You see my name there now?
I just sent you 500,000.
Oh, my dad.
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
Yes, sir.
Daddy.
You can shut up, my brother. You mad? I'm talking to my visitor. I have family. Like, that's okay. So, what do you do for a living?
I sell caskets.
Hey.
Yes, caskets.
So, if people do not die, you don't make money.
So, sir, that's what I do.
Get out from this place. Get out from this place.
Hey, tomorrow, remind me, let me send you free casket because you will need it.
Why?
Because any suitor that stopped me from dating or marrying their daughter, I end up needing my casket the next day.
So, you mean I would die?
No, something like that.
No.
Hey, come here now. Come now. Come here. Young man. Come be coming now. You are going to vex. You go ahead say, she's your wife. I give her to you.
You don't give her. You don't say me
As a
return the
matter of
money.
fact, I will be giving you a 1 million allowance every month.
God bless you, my son. Kuku kiss me. I like you.
Thank you,
I
sir.
like you already.
Thank you, sir.
Nasboi.
Gabriel,
Yes.
I beg, who will they judge today?
Nigerians.
Nigerians, okay. You go see. They're not going to reach 30 when we enter heaven here today. Just the look.
Jesus.
I they tell you now, you know, say me I stayed here. I sabi them well. Just the watch.
No problem.
How Pokoli take come here?
Pokoli.
You know sabi this boy? This boy when you see, you know they sleep for house. Every day. Now Obi's house. I beg, what happen?
He repent for diming it.
Oh
You don't
man.
need it. God can save anybody.
I
Pokoli,
swear.
you go to enter inside now. He go miss Namanjago.
You go miss Ramanjago.
You judge the next person now.
Who is the next?
Make this boy no enter here. You see this boy when you see so, a very wicked human being.
What's going on
He
here?
had black. You know say this boy na lecturer. Nobody they pass in course as you see am like this. Now him then they call Daniel Rega. Jesus. Make him no enter. You know where I go say this boy na wicked person. Gospel song where person sing, he give him 2/10. Make him go fire. Before he go call here now, come talk say God will build this place where he will give God 3/10. Get fire. I don't make him bad. If you like God, they pay you. If you take a stroll now, I'm not sure say anybody go come from Nigeria again. Like I feed the people where they inside. For the 5,000 people, 5 loaf of bread with the 2 fishes.
And Jamaica, person don't come.
Okay, if you judge them now, make I continue to write what you write.
What's your name?
Idris.
No allow them enter.
Bobrisky.
He rename na Bob.
Bobrisky, I don't know.
Now man, away we go chop this evening. Make I, if you they help me judge them, make I continue to write. I got this thing first.
So what's your name?
I am Bola Ahmed Thaedoboy.
Hey, Jagaban. Your ex-wife hired a hungry lawyer. Wow.
The food.
The food is very nice. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate this gesture.
What are you going to do now?
Mr. La, what you're asking of me is very difficult. I'm your wife's lawyer, and there's no way I'm going to compromise on a case so that you can win her in court. The divorce is as good as done. Just look for how you can split the properties.
Alright, call me your account number.
If it's what I'm thinking, sir, there's no way you're going to buy my silence in court. I'm sorry, I don't do such.
I'm not buying your silence, I'm just sending you a token. Call me your account number.
81
52
53 54 55.
Sent.
Momo is very fast too.
Momo is very fast. May I see how much you send? 3 million! Before it's on go.
What was your voice?
You have bought my silence.
What's this?
This receipt for the silence you just bought. Look at woman. This is like that video.
I'll be woke now. No, best. We use God beg you. I get dates tomorrow and I need your help. Just these guys come there, come kidnap me. I don't get money where I fit pay for you. 4 people must have improvised, eh? Even though that's okay, they collect. I'm fine. I pay. Because I text you active.
Let's do the price kidnapping.
What is this?
Babe, can I have some takeaway from my friends?
Oh, sure. Why not? Do you? Just do you.
Ha! So sweet.
You gotta trust man.
Waiter!
Go down.
Like this, now they follow me and they kidnap you today. Come on, take it. Don't kidnap me. Ogbeni, get up, Joe. Don't kidnap me. Idiot, get up, Joe. Now my sister, you carry. Jesus!
Hey! Wahala!
How? You know the sister will look like each other, eh? Look the leaf now. You know resemble. This one a family matter. Make una sort am. I no pay you. If you move, your spirit go move well. Lala.
Mr. Light.
I will ask you for the last time. Who sent you? My king, nobody sent me. I came to your village to introduce people of your kingdom to Woto Woto. Woto Woto? Yes, my king. There's nothing like Woto Woto. There is something like Woto Woto. What is Woto Woto? My king, Woto Woto is a game of what? You can even challenge your friends to prove who is the ultimate card master. And it's very simple. All you need to do is to create a lobby that is set the rule. You will receive the code after creating the lobby. You share the code with your friends, your kingsmen or your family members. Once they input the code, they become part of the lobby. And the game commences. You cannot stake your claim after you have agreed on the particular match to play with your friends. You can decide to play either friendly wager or bragging rights. The choice is yours. You just start playing Woto Woto and start enjoying Woto Woto. Silence! I think you are lying to me. My king, I cannot lie to a king. I don't lie to kings. Don't go. My king, take them to the evil forest and behead them. My king, man, I beg him.
My king, please, I suggest we set them free so that we, the cabinet members, will look into the matter.
Silence! Nobody dare tell me what to do in my kingdom. They are spies and they will pay the consequences.
My king, why not we call our son that stayed in the city for 4 days? I overheard him speaking and one. I think he will be able to know about this Woto something.
Maso Kroson abi?
Sabinus.
Fetch me Sabinus.
Wahala.
Bring him here immediately.
Yes, my king.
You never enter one chance.
My king, how are you? What's happening? Sorry. My king, Igwe.
Are you aware of what these men are talking about?
What are they talking about?
I was telling the king about Woto Woto, a premium wolf game that you can play with your friends and family members.
Woto Woto is more than a game, in fact. It is a community that has players of all skill levels that come together to have fun and, strategize. Right now on the Woto Woto gaming platform, if you make use of the referral code Sabinwa while playing, you stand a chance to get awesome bonus. Yes, I know about it, my king.
If you're not lying to me, can I play the game?
Yeah, play with my king. Yes.
My king? Me, I'm a king in this particular side, though.
Shut up, you man! Can't you see we have only one king in this kingdom? I'm not part of that one, oh, bro. Please.
You have to be very guided. Let's play.
So the kings are playing now.
I told you
I'm a king in this world game.
How dare you? Ha! There's only one king in my kingdom. Dogu,
My king.
take them to the evil forest and behead them.
No, no, king.
Hey,
You are the king.
Who made you?
You are the king.
Who made you?
Right now, bro.
Who made you?
My king, let her now.
Hey!
What's the problem?
Let's play.
No, my king, my mood right now. You know, something happened in our family.
Dogu,
Play with him.
Body go tell you.
Kasongo, yeah.
Mamba.
My king,
You won!
Who go see you, man?
You don't like King.
Gather the maidens, call the drummers. This calls for celebration. I am the king of Woto game.
Yes, my king.
he thinks he won. He never knew I left him to win it, just to avoid the forest.
Yeah! Abomination! My king, he fooled you.
Hey.
He let you win so he can make you look like a fool. What?
Hey.
In my kingdom.
The secret is small, but no horse.
Dogo!
My king!
Take him to the evil forest!
I'm
Feed
beheaded.
him to the vulture!
My king, evil forest is filled up already. No space again.
Yes, my king! Yes!
He has brought out the knife.
Move!
You and evil forest. You and evil forest.
I say move!
Wait for just keep quiet. Collect your little ticket.
Who go see them, man?
Life no be Nollywood mode.
Cypher, calm down now. You know they carry this thing well.
I wonder. 30 minutes more. Very wicked man. 30 minutes. You submit either you finish or not.
Hey! You have to have capacity. I'm a wicked man.
Thank you.
You stand up, come
If they
out.
take me support on my wisdom, this guy thing go fit happen to me. I not go believe for my life. Now they regret and they cry. I not believe.
What are you writing? It's always. What are you writing? What do you know you're writing? What are you writing? Let me see the nonsense you're writing.
What
Get out of my class.
Him up.
Vengeance is of the Lord. I will take the law upon myself and deal with many of you now.
3 years later. Now him up, my guy, right?
Okay, I want to withdraw. Cypher, now you be this. Hey, after the people they don't come up for school. Now parents guy later be.
You go cry, no worry.
I better take. I want to withdraw. My guy, this money he hard to find. I no go even lie you. Take.
Skis. You see, this life, no be Nollywood.
No be Nollywood. Mumu never speak German.
How to say you want withdraw? 1,000 naira. Give me 900 naira.
The fathers have eaten sour grapes and the children's teeth are set on edge. My son, congratulations. You have successfully used your manhood for the rituals.
Wahala. Thank you, Jesus.
Don't call that name here. He will reign supreme. You want to burn down the shrine that made you?
No, sorry.
Where is the money I asked you to bring?
I bring 1,000 naira note so that the money go big.
That is it. Erimeribi alam. Osula! It is done. Go and receive wealth. That particular pocket you brought out this money you gave to me, which was accepted by the gods.
That's all.
Money will continue to flow into that pocket. In naira, in pounds, in dollar, money will continue to flow.
Wait, you that Baba say ma come. You say ma bring money, oh.
Hey, I got nowhere for them. Where for bring the money come?
You dey use your function to play. You dey use
My first money is still Wahala.
You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. The things that you are doing good.
Hey, who get the trouser?
Yeah! Mama, they come. Hey, Mama, they come.
It's not possible.
Jesus! Hey! See! That's the one hanger this morning. 1,000 day inside. As soon as I come collect the 1,000 man, use chop. Only for me to wear the trouser. See money for myself. Hey! See money. Jesus! I don't fit this kind of money alone. Man, take.
They're sharing money.
But remember, do not gift anybody a dime from that particular money. If not, it will reduce your lifespan.
Hey!
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Hey!
Look this here. Look this here. Jump on the
Another one will come again.
No!
Jesus! You and try to follow all those your commands. You don't know that kind of thing that can kill somebody. You give somebody half I love you.
Let's give 100 now.
Only 100 I get for Richard one is my manhood too.
Wahala. You guys no get sense.
Okay, can I go close at that Harry?
What an abe goose rugede. I'm a honey goose rugede. My children, you all have been fortified. You have been fortified. You cannot go.
Wise one, thank you very much. Wise one, I think it would be wise for you to test the potency of the charm you've done for us. Because what is your problem?
Yes.
If Baba is saying that we are fortified, we are fortified now, then we should leave. Let's leave this place. Let him test it.
Enough! You have a point.
Wise one, please, I've seen the potency of the charm that you've done. Hey, there won't be need for you to test it on me.
I'm not test them now.
Thank you, wise one. Baba, thank you very much. But one more thing. What about the color? What is the problem now? We are fortified. Let's live here. What are you looking for?
Now.
So, we are going to face seriously armed men.
Yes.
You need to test the color for safety reasons.
Enough!
I lose your kaka.
Chimo.
What is it?
Hey! Abi! Great one. What is this? Did you add your grease leaf I asked you to add to the jam?
I forget.
Hey, Wahala.
Look at it here now. Look at it here now. Look at what you've caused. Listen, I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. You will not graduate from this place. I'm telling you the fact. You will not graduate from this place. I'm telling you. I will make your life so. I will lay curse on you. Yeah.
Wise one, eyes of the gods. Wise one, please, there won't be need for you to test this voice. We know you. I believe so much in you. Just allow us.
My guy is on the fear.
My children, calm down. This is as a result of his negligence. I can't take it anymore. No one comes to me for fortification and goes home embarrassed.
No,
I must make you believe that I am real. And Arusha Kaka is real. Chimo. Hey!
My guy go run.
What are you going to do? They want to disgrace me and disgrace my ancestors. Never. What are you going to do?
You not go run.
What are you going to do?
Devil has been waiting for you.
Chew it. I don't say Kaka. Hey! Orugo no mume. Orugo no mume. Aruso kaka. Hey.
Chimo. If I hear say you don't go wrong. Chimo. You be moving the buy one inside pocket. I'm okay for.
Man, I'm scared for my life.
Yo.
Thank you for saving me.
Idiot.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
You are key, the victory to my party, no return, the bird, you walk up and touch, live.
Where you go?
Let go!
Thief.
Officer, the brought from my estate. And Metro Estate number 2, I beg.
Right. So how much you want to send now? Yes! Officer, I'm 50k with me. With Jimmy away for your phone. Make 100k. You know say you be my son.
Child! Where the money I got for this ass? Freeze! If you move, I go shoot you tell the say you thief goat. If you move.
Make we send civilian to civilian.
But I move anything you say or do, you use against the bottom. Officer, thank you. Officer, thank you.
Officer, thank you.
Oh yeah, move. I'm gonna fast write this statement and I start my investigation.
Jesus.
You sabi right. What will be right? Oh, so you write you join court? Yes, officer. Which kind of court be this?
Officer, it's a social media platform that help you earn money just by posting your video, music or podcast. And the app is on Play Store and App Store. Courts. Oh, Wahala. You 200, that is 600k.
Officer, I want too much now.
You want go court?
Hey!
Officer, 620k.
Exactly. Charges now.
You not pay for charges.
You the man. What charges?
The craze.
Nonsense people.
No.
Now see the press in the check. Wahala. Can you imagine?
God have mercy upon us.
Hey! Can you imagine? He look Nash. This guy's no get sense. The exorcism. I command you. You don't draw the evil. Hey, can I? Wahala. Wahala. Nice sacrifice.
Get down! Get down! I said get down! Get down! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's move! Let's move! Let's move!
that person when they inside Brodda, carry and put inside Ferrari.
What's going on here?
You were not informed.
I don't want trouble.
Day 2.
Jesus! I'm gonna what?
Day 3. You don't stand the wisdom. High fashion, Ramanjalo. Day 5.
Calm down, what's up, you?
Stay here. One man they take rubbish a lot too. Jesus. One man they take rubbish a lot. If they tell you the kind rubbish one man they take, you not go believe.
We'll be one handicap. Hello, boss. Yeah, I just sent you the picture.
You guys have the wrong person.
Oh, damn!
Damn! Oh no!
Boys! What's going on? Can you imagine? We picked up the wrong person. Wrong person, Azam. This is the wrong person. I talk him. You just they chop, they go. Oh, Samba, carry this guy, come on, here.
No, but no, check that. No, the person now.
Take him out. Go. Samba, drag his leg. No.
I got no one come out again. Who will I kidnap for?
He just the chop. They give you food.
No, Nami. Check the picture. Boss, check the picture.
If it was you, would you leave? I thought you reaction now. If not you, sure you go come out. You see person when no get money, you go kidnap her and go they give her a chicken. Why you go come out? Mumu guys. Anyways, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. So what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. You get. So make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them, subscribe, drop nice comments, and share them. See you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.